What's going on, family? So I just had to cut that video short. My bad, my grandma just popped out a lot faster than I thought she was going to. This video should be a little bit longer because I'm like bringing her all over the place. This place she's at now should take a lot longer. So we got a little more time to talk. Word. So I kind of wrapped it up on a high point because I didn't really expect my grandma to be outside like that. So I wrapped it up on a high note, and the high note that I ended things on was that the devil creates fear, okay? The devil creates fear, and God is faith. Devil, fear, God, faith. If you're a child of God, you have nothing but faith inside of your heart, all right? And that alone will send you into the next dimension, okay? Now, in terms of following your dreams and chasing your dreams, and why it's important is because it's very easy in life to be pulled away from your dreams. Super easy, extremely easy to just give up on yourself and chase the money instead, But little do you know, it's not the money that makes you happy, it's living the life of your dreams that makes you happy. Okay, Bob Marley, this is my most favorite Bob Marley interview of all time. He says, and some of you guys may have heard this before, but the interview asks him, "Are you a rich man?" And Bob Marley was like, "Rich? What do you define as rich?" And the interviewer says, do you have wealth, money? Are you a millionaire? And Bob Marley goes, "A millionaire? That's what makes you rich, is money?" He says, Bob Marley goes on to say, "My riches is life forever." Okay? My riches is being able to live the life that I live today for the rest of my life. That's riches. And basically what that means, just breaking it down a tiny bit more, is being able to, because he's happy, he's living his innermost desires. And it's up to you to live your innermost desires and not let this world take you away from your innermost happiness. Okay, when I say your innermost desires, I don't mean smoking weed, going to parties, I mean things that actually bring purpose into your life, things that satisfy your flesh, satisfy your soul. Whether it could be traveling, seeing different places. Everyone has a different version of that light inside of them. But it's up to you to bring that light out, okay? No one else is going to do it for you. Life is not just going to be easy one day, okay? You're going to have to take the challenge, strap up your boots, pull your pants up, and just be that person, there's a saying, each different level of life requires a different version of you. So with that being said, you're going to have to change to become the person of your dreams. But when you become that person, the change is going to be natural. Just like how you're in a natural state right now, living a normal, natural life. When you are living the life of your dreams, that's going to feel natural as well. And you're going to be very happy naturally. You're going to give off a very happy vibe naturally. You're going to be, a lot's going to change about you. When you're shooting for the stars, it changes so much about you that you're not even conscious of. Okay? When you're chasing your dreams and shooting for big goals, a lot's going to change about you and you don't even realize it. You're going to be doing things that other people can't even do without even realizing it, without even trying, because your dreams are so big that, it doesn't even matter to you. So, and you just got to be that inner child for your whole entire life. Don't kill the child in you, because the child in you is your light. The child in you is your calling. The child in you is God. Okay? And then you have the world, which is the devil. Okay? The world pulls you away from the light. But you have to put that light first, and don't entertain the world, but entertain yourself, right? Entertain the light, the innermost you, entertain that. and allow that to shape your destiny. Don't let the world shape your destiny. Never, ever let the world shape your destiny. You shape your destiny. You yourself create your destiny, okay? I just had a conversation with my grandma on the way over here, and she was like, she wonders if she fulfilled her purpose. You know, did she fulfill her purpose in life? Because, you know, she's older now, so she thinks about things like that. And I answered, are you happy? If you're happy, then yes, you fulfilled your purpose. Are you happy? And I promise you, she's very happy. You know, she works harder than me. And she's like 73 years old. So she's in a good place. She's in a good place. You know, she's living the life of her dreams. And it's normal to question yourself, but, you know, also have faith that, you know, she follows her heart. You know, she's just very deep in following her heart, because there's levels. There's levels, right? The longer you chase your dreams, the better you're going to be at chasing your dreams. The longer you follow your heart, the more in your heart you'll be following your heart. You know, it just gets deeper and deeper. So, you know, that's just how it goes. That's just how it goes. So make sure you are putting yourself first. Okay, make sure you put in the life of your dreams first. Real rap. Make sure you put in the life of your dreams first. And nothing else. Nothing else matters. Not the 9 to 5, not bills. Nothing matters more than chasing the life of your dreams. Straight up. That's what you're here to do. You're not here to do anything else besides chase the life of your dreams. Okay? And even if other people want to call it stupid, that's fine. Everyone is different. You shouldn't care about what anyone else says. Okay? People want to say what you do is dumb. Of course, they're haters. You're going to have haters in your life. That's normal. I have so many haters that it helped me to stop focusing on the world. I have so many people trying to belittle me that it literally steered me in a different direction naturally. You know, it naturally connected me to God. Even though I was already pursuing God, the haters helped me to really magnify God in my life, 100%. So, you know, and I have a lot of haters, let me tell you. Just about almost every person in my life is a hater. Because everyone's got something to say. You know, everyone wants to be my critic. Everyone wants to say that they're better than me, or they're not doing a quarter of as much. So it's crazy. But that's how people are. People want to steal your energy when they see a light, you know. Frank Ocean says, and one of his quotes, Frank Ocean, is like, how are you looking up to me and talking down? Can't you see I'm the big man, right? This is why you need to distance yourself from people, right? Distance yourself from people, because people aren't going to give you the credit, especially the people who aren't doing anything in their lives are never ever going to give you the credit that you deserve if you're pursuing your dreams. They're not, because you're doing the thing that they're afraid of. So they're, you know what I'm saying, they're not going to give you the light you deserve. So distance yourself. Protect your energy, put yourself first. It's very simple. It's very simple. For shizzle, for sure. So yeah, you know, just live for yourself. Like, truly live for yourself and do what makes you happy. Nothing else matters. It's as simple as that. Simple as that. Life in a nutshell. Do what makes you happy. Stop caring what other people think, because it doesn't matter. All that matters is what's making you happy, and just do what makes you happy. That's it. Do what makes you happy. All right. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Much love, as always. Stay safe out there. Stay away from those Pfizer shots. Stay away from those damn vaccines. My grandma just got her 3rd vaccine, bro. Like, sheesh. My grandma just got her 3rd vaccine, and she was like, she's feeling it. She was like, she's never been in so much pain. Like, her bones are hurting. Like, I'm like, no shit. But that's a completely different discussion, you know. I don't speak really like that to people like that, because, you know, they're already so in their life, you don't want to throw them off at such an old age. Like, just let her be happy, you know. If she feels like it's best, I gotta respect it. You know, all she does is watch the news all day, so it's a no-brainer she got the third shot when she's being brainwashed every single day. But yeah, that's life, you know. But much love, y'all. I'll catch you on the next video. I don't really have much to do. I don't really know what I'm gonna do, but hey, if you're still here at this point, we can just vibe, you know. Like, how's life? How are you doing? Are you doing all right? Are you happy? Are you staying away from the spells that these mainstream rappers are putting on you? I hope so. You know. Yeah, we could just vibe out until my grandma comes back. That's, you know, if you could, whatever, yeah. You know, just waiting for her. Actually, I see her already, so. Perfect timing. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. Deuces. Catch you on the next one. Protect your energy. Stay safe, and peace out.